Hello, everybody. My name is Professor Bray. I'm here to just introduce you to English Composition 1 and give you a quick overview of the course so you know exactly what you can expect and what my expectations are for you. Okay, as a remote course, there are some interactions that will be in writing. So that's something that we'll have to get used to, but I will be available to Zoom with you when need be, and also to even just answer a phone call if that's the case. So just quickly to go over the syllabus, we divided it into, or I divided it into, four different sections based on the theme of finding. So the first section will be finding yourself. The focus will be you in the sense of writing personal narratives. So we'll do this in two different assignments as well as a couple of discussion posts. So we're going to start with a snapshot memoir, which is just basically taking a picture and briefly telling the story of the picture. And then we're going to look at a couple of different elements to kind of improve or enhance that product. And then you're going to take what you've learned and develop a more formalized memoir that will be larger in scope and scale. So that's Unit 1. Unit 2 is finding purpose, where we're going to go over rhetorical analysis. In other words, examining arguments from an outside perspective. We're not interested in whether we agree or disagree with the argument. We're interested in whether or not the author or the speaker presented that argument effectively. So we're going to look at some techniques of rhetoric and then look at some famous speeches. And then you're going to find a speech that you're going to analyze yourself in 3 different ways. The next unit will be a very brief unit on writing persuasion or finding your voice. And we're basically going to look at 2 types of research, immersion and interview, and then you're going to write a short response paper as to which one is more effective. And then we get into finding strength, where we're going to use a book called The White Darkness. It's a wonderful nonfiction text about an explorer named Henry Worsley who explored Antarctica, and he traced the steps of a famous expeditionist named Ernest Shackleton. So it's really an interesting book. With that, we're going to do you're going to do a series of 3 very brief, or what I call micro presentations. It's basically going to be putting together some slides that you research about various topics, and then you're going to do a full-blown research paper. Now that will be the most valuable assignment of the entire semester, so it's important that you do go through the process and complete that. And then we will wrap it up with a final exam essay about the book, The White Darkness. So all of this will be done throughout the semester. I'm going to ask that you kind of time it unit by unit. I don't mind if you go through a unit quickly and submit everything, but I don't want you to go through the semester and submit everything, because I will be kind of introducing each unit with videos and going over some stuff with you along the way. As far as grading goes for the class, it will be done by a point system. Everything, as you can see, will have a point value. If I go to assignments, you can see 5 points, 5 points, 5 points, 10 points, so you know which is more valuable. In the end, it will all add up to 100 points, and based on that, you will get your grade based on the grading scale as listed in the syllabus. So just quickly to look at Canvas and how you explore it. The home will list your syllabus, so you'll see all of the information. You'll see a calendar down here. You'll see our grading criteria. Everything that you need to know about the class will be listed on the syllabus, as well as all the assignments at the end. Your go-to will be the modules. The modules will be your activities for each week. It will include an assignment if there is one, a discussion post if there is one, any reading materials that you'll need, any PowerPoints or any Google slide presentations that I might use in the video that you'll need, also any links to anything that you'll be required to watch. So everything you can find will be in each week's module. So this will be kind of your lifeblood during the semester. So that's where I want you to kind of keep your focus. And then just some general information about the course. The course is a required course to move on to Composition 2, so you will need to get a C or better to move on to or qualify for Composition 2. I have a couple of ways you can reach me. I will, at the top of the syllabus, you'll find a phone number that I prefer that you just text me, don't call, because I probably won't answer a call from a strange number. If you text me and just say who you are and if we can talk, or if you have a specific question, you can do that. And I also have 2 email addresses listed. The Sussex email, which is one that I will check periodically, probably only once or twice a day. And then I have my personal email, which you can send me an email, and that one is on my phone, so I'd be more apt to respond to that rather quickly if you have an immediate question that needs to be answered. So if you have any questions, you can reach out to me, and I look forward to a wonderful semester. Thank you.